What is that? What is that? It's tickets. It's tickets. What is that? Surprised you're not free.
She doesn't.
What are you doing over there?
Hey, Candy, can you
Put her down if she didn't.
put a water bowl in with it?
Moon.
This what?
Woohoo.
That goes.
Moon.
I don't think so.
Okay.
She's gonna bite you.
It's over here, so.
Want one?
No,
She's like, I want your flesh.
Want one?
Okay.
Oh, take one. Take one. Would you do it? Come on, you can do it. You know you want to. What you doing, Ivan? You want to pick numbers today? Yeah, do that. Hopefully the wind won't. We'll see how this goes. We'll try it once. Ivan, what's in there? What's in there? Get one. He's like, there's no food in there.
what do you want?
Yeah. What's in there? You pick one? Thought you were going to there for a second. You were just looking to see what mice might be in there. Yeah. Okay. Hey, extra bunny rabbit. Would you pick one? Would you pick one? Get one. Get one. I know you don't like people being in your cage, but I really don't want to let you out. Because you... Get one. Get one. Get one, Baxter. You're not going to do it, are you? Come on. Humor me. One ticket. One ticket. You're not going to. You're not going to. I thought I'd try one final time. One final time. What are you doing? I'm almost out of battery. What's in here? What's in here? Oops. Oh, did you get one? Oh, you did get one. God, that was quick. Letty, here, I'll give that to you. Which one did you get? What ticket is it? You got number 58. Number 58, Lenny. Good job. Good job. And then tomorrow's the main prize. Yes, tomorrow's the main prize. What did you do? Oh, hello, hello. You just got a nose print on my camera. Yes, you did. You got a nose print on my camera. How are you? How are you? What's in my pocket? I don't think I've got anything in there.